Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Moving with the sequence of our assembly. Now it is the time for the science experiment. Science is not only for knowledge and information, but is needed for application in everyday life. My friend Ikra and Sabah will now demonstrate an experiment and explain the logic behind it. Thank you so much, friends. Ramadan, the month of mercy and blessings. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "When the month of Ramadan arrives, the door of mercy are opened." So, I would like to call Iraj Fatima for a speech on Ramadan. Subhanallah. For a true Muslim, end of Ramadan is not the end, but the start of a new journey leading towards the Jannah. Let's move ahead. In our life, we need improvement. So, for improvement, we need a person who can guide us in a right path. So, I would like to request our respected ma'am, Savera, to give her valuable message today. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your precious words. A starting always has an end. Now we have also reached to the end of our assembly. It is the prime responsibility of every citizen to feel that his country is free and defend its freedom is his duty. So let us all together and sing national anthem. Thank you so much. वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक कीजिए. जज़ाकमुल्लाहु खैरन.